Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Cthulhu. First, gather your friends and a keeper, who is the game master. You'll need character sheets, pencils, and a set of dice, including a 4-sided, 6-sided, 8-sided, 10-sided, 12-sided, and 20-sided die. The game is set in the 1920s or modern day, focusing on ordinary people encountering extraordinary, terrifying entities. Prepare for a journey into the unknown, where sanity is a precious, fragile resource. Creating your investigator is a crucial first step. You'll select an occupation, which provides a base for your skills and background. Then, you'll distribute points across various skills like library use, persuade, or spot hidden, making your character unique. Attributes such as strength, dexterity, and intelligence are determined by rolling dice, typically 3 6-sided dice. Finally, calculate your investigator's hit points and starting sanity points, which are vital for survival in the face of cosmic horrors. Gameplay revolves around skill checks, where you roll a 100-sided die or 2 10-sided dice, aiming to get a result equal to or less than your skill value. Combat is brutal and usually a last resort. Investigators are not heroes. A core mechanic is the sanity system. When your character witnesses something truly horrifying, you'll make a sanity roll. Failing this roll means losing sanity points, potentially leading to bouts of temporary madness, phobias, or even permanent insanity. The Keeper, or Game Master, is the heart of the Call of Cthulhu experience. They craft the narrative, describe the eerie settings, and embody all the non-player characters, from helpful librarians to terrifying cultists. The Keeper presents the mysteries, clues, and obstacles that the investigators must overcome. They also interpret the rules and determine the outcomes of the player's choices, ensuring a consistent and terrifying world. Their ultimate goal is to immerse everyone in a chilling, unforgettable cosmic horror story.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.